In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your LinkedIn profile to your Facebook profile. This is a great way to merge your personal and professional online presence, offering a more holistic view of your skills and experience to both friends and professional contacts. So, let's dive right in. To get started, we'll first need to copy your LinkedIn profile URL. Navigate over to your LinkedIn profile page. This is where all your professional information is displayed, from your current job title to your past experiences and achievements. At the top of your LinkedIn page, you'll find the URL in the browser's address bar. It'll look something like https://www.linkedin.com in your username. Make sure to double-check that you're on your own profile page to copy the correct URL. Once you're certain, go ahead and select the entire URL and copy it. This link will serve as the bridge between your LinkedIn and Facebook profiles. Next, we'll head over to Facebook. Log in and go to your profile page, the space where you share updates, photos, and engage with friends. Here, you'll want to locate and click on the Edit Profile button. This will allow you to modify your personal information and adjust what you'd like others to see. This is a crucial step, as you'll soon integrate your LinkedIn presence into your Facebook profile. Now it's time to add your LinkedIn URL to your Facebook profile. Once you're in the Edit Profile section, look for the Contact Info section. This is where you can manage details like your phone number, email, and other relevant contact information. Within this section, you'll find an option that says Add a Website. This will allow you to link to websites that showcase more about who you are. Click on this option and paste your LinkedIn URL into the provided field. This ensures that anyone visiting your Facebook can easily navigate to your LinkedIn profile. To make it easily recognizable, you can label this URL as LinkedIn or Professional Profile. This added clarity helps your contacts immediately understand where the link will take them, providing a seamless flow between your Facebook and LinkedIn presence. Once your URL is in place and labeled, the final touch is to save your changes. Look for the Save button at the bottom or top of the Edit section. Clicking this will update your profile, making your LinkedIn link visible to your Facebook friends. After saving, it's a great idea to visit your own Facebook profile page to ensure the link is showing up as expected and that it directs correctly to your LinkedIn page. If anything's amiss, simply return to the editing steps to make necessary adjustments. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've effectively added your LinkedIn profile to your Facebook profile, enhancing your online presence and ensuring your professional network is just a click away. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.